Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. Now I'm going to show you my lazy man's way of basically oiling your spinning reel. Now if you're in a situation like me when you got over 100 of them and you haven't used it for a while, or it was a lot of salt spray the other day, this is what you need to do. So I'm going to use pure silicone spray. I like Blaster. Blaster is my favorite. So what I'm going to do here, now technically to do this correctly you have to take everything apart and oil everything down, which is great, but if you're in a rush, this is what you need to do. Make sure you save that little plastic piece on that. Shake it up, just give it, ooh, I said, that's what happens when you just buy something. A lot of pressure. Okay. I mean, a lot of pressure, but it comes off easy. There you go. Spray it down. Now, technically, to do this proper, having a nice little container of lube would be better, but this is the lazy man's way of doing this. But you know what? It protects the inner gears. So, let's see now. You want to work it both ways. There you go. Oh, before we do this, let's stick to the outside for now. So, this is the there we go. Shoot it in there. Just one quick let's see there. That one you don't want to loosen it too much because you don't want it to go flying apart. Ooh, nice. Really nice in that one. So this is the roller bearing here, so that means the line's going to go through that a lot easier. Just take this part like 4 or 5 turns. Not too much. See, you got a gap there, gap there. That's all you're going to need here. You know, one thing about using lube oil is going to be more permanent, but I like this way. It's fast, still going to work, and it's kind of like the lazy man's way, because when you have a lot of stuff like I do, make sure you just only wrist tight. And just a little bit more than wrist tight. So. You really don't need, see, there's grease in here already, so you really don't need to do that. You don't want to touch that either, or this. You do want to hit that little junction right there. Yeah, and this one you really don't have to do anything either. This has only been out a couple times. You can tell from the shape. The The chrome is basically untouched. So basically that's it. That's all you really have to do. I mean, if you want to do this the correct way, take it apart, get lube, oil it down. But this is the lazy man's way of doing it for preventive maintenance, and it works. See? Make sure you work all of that. Oh, much nicer. Much nicer. There you go, guys. Thank you.